Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with My Creative Time's 125th release. I will have My Creative Time's YouTube channel as well as her store and her blog linked down below. And then we also have a new designer that has come on the team with us, which is a creative muse, and I'll have her channel linked down below, as well as my design team, the other design team sisters. All right, let's get started. And as you see, if you're looking at this paper, it is just so cute, so cute. And this is called Gingerbread Kisses. I love this paper. I'm looking at it, looks a little blurred. Hopefully you can see that. All right, here we go. There goes the first page. Look at those gingerbreads in the cup. Just too cute. And then you have a little bit of marshmallows and the stars and the hearts going around. And this is double-sided paper, so we have the pink gingham on the back side. And then here goes the next page, which is the gingerbread sitting in the cocoa cups. Just too cute. Love the pastel colors. She did a great job. Look at those marshmallows. They look all nice and toasted. And there goes that gingham purple. And then we have the peppermint page, all in different colors. So you have a lot of choices to craft with those. The back side of that is yellow. And then we have this little gingerbread house here. Too cute. A lot of different colors on that one. Comes with a little polka dots and the little snowflakes, just too cute. The back side of that is the gingham print green, and then look at this one, just too cute. Oh goodness, I'm so glad she came out with the paper to match up with her little gingerbread people. Just too cute. And as you see, we have some bells and some stars on there and the little sprinkles going around. The back side of that is blue. That's that gingham blue. And then on here we have the script writing there. You can pause your video if you want to see that. It has a little bit of sprinkles on there, or polka dots on there rather. And then on the back side of that we have the gingham brown. Okay, let's get to this second one again here, right here. As you know, Miss Emma always creates coordinating stamp and dies. And the dies coordinate with this paper, but let me show you the stamps first. This is called You Warm My Heart. And check out that. You can see all of the words on there. Just pause the video. And then these little polka dots going around, you can add that for decorations in your cups. And then let's take a look at the coordinating dies. You Warm My Heart. Here goes the coordinating dies. And you can turn them into tags if you'd like. And that's called You Warm My Heart. Just adorable set. Next up, we have the pretty scallop rectangle frame dies. And she has the circle and the oval dies already in her shop, and she has come out with the pretty scallop rectangle. And these are very cute. If you have her stitched rectangles, they'll coordinate perfectly in with this set. The Gingerbread House dies. And this is just so cute. This can also be a gift card if you like. She added this right there. And so you can just cut that right out and just slide that gift card right down in the center. And then this little piece here, which is the mint, is the door handle. And you can just go to town, decorate it any way you'd like. Super cute. And that's called the Gingerbread House. We have peppermint candy dies. These are so cute, and they're a nice size as well. If you have, let me show you. If you have this die set, which is, I want to say Christmas envelope dies. I can't remember the name, but I'll have it linked down below. Anyways, this fits perfectly in there. So if you have it, bonus for you. If you don't, pick it up. Pick it up. All right. So that's those. And then the last die set we have is the Circle Ho 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 dies. This is a really nice size die as well. Now, I want to say this one's 4 inches in diameter, and so it gives you a lot to play with. You can decorate it the way you want and just go at it. All right, so those are all of the products that she came out with. Make sure you check out my projects at the end of this video and head over to everyone's channels. All right, let's get started looking at my projects. Okay, I'm back. And also I want to share with you that this is the freebie to the first 40 customers. So make sure you're one of the 40. All right, let's jump right in. Since this is already on the table, I am going to share what I used to create with this die. As soon as I seen it, it screamed shaker. And I made a shaker tag or card or whatever you would like to call it. I'll probably end up turning it into a tag. But anyways, I love how it turned out. Everything moves around freely and it's so pretty. Let me share with you the other things I used to create this shaker. I used this peppermint candy die set, and I used this size as well as its coordinating piece, which is right there. I also used this set, which was from one of her previous releases. I used the medium ginger bow die and all of its coordinating pieces. Okay, one more look at that one. I used the peppermint candy die set, You Warm My Heart, the stamps and the die set, as well as pretty scallop rectangle dies. So, and then let me just share the other products that I use. Oh, and I also used that Gingerbread Kisses paper pack. And then the extras that I use with that, I used this set here, which I believe this is that Christmas envelope die set. I'm not for sure about the name, but I'll have it go across the screen for you. And I'll have it linked down below as well if you want to pick this up. And this, like I said, coordinates perfectly with this set. She made it to go with this set. And then on this one here, I also used the wallet die set. So I just used that center piece. All right, so let me just show you these a little bit more close. Now, I did use this yellow marker Y06 to color up those little hearts to match that paper. And then I also put stickles, diamond stickles on there as well. So you'll be able to see that. And look at that sparkle, it looks great. And I just cut out a piece of paper and just layered that on top. And then there goes the inside. I also used those pretty rectangle scallops in there as well. So those look really cute. Take a better look at that. I also used, let me just share that with you. So these are the sets that I used. I used the Just For You, it came out of that set, and the Sending Peppermint Kisses, as well as the coordinating dies. So that's that set there. Let me just share this one with you. A little bit more close. I love how this turned out. Now I did color this one up by myself, and I love how it turned out. Let me share the marker colors with you. So I used from Bria Reese, I used these two colors. And then from Prisma color markers, I used, yes, these here. Hopefully you can see those. It's a little blurred. There you go. And then from the Copic markers, I use this one here. And so that's all of the colors that I used to color up that. Now, I did use the Worn Lipstick, this Distress Oxide ink, for that color there to kind of match that pink. And then I used some glitter white paper. So love that, and added some little dots there. Now, these things that I used here came from the You Warm My Heart set there. Like I said, I colored it up myself, and I used that Sending Peppermint Kisses. I used that one there, and the smaller die set, and I used the coordinating dies there. I used the smaller set for that one. But love how that turned out. What do you think? Leave your comment down below. Here goes my next project. And I made this cute gingerbread card. Doesn't it look just like a cookie? I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And I made it actually into this type of card base. Then these peppermint candies, I tell you, this set got a workout. So anyways, I used the smaller peppermint candy to turn those into little peppermint candy canes. And then I also used one of her previous sets, the Sweet Holiday Wishes. And I am using, I want to say, Wishing You a Sweet Season. Yes, that's the one. And it's coordinating dies. And so I'll have those linked down below. And then I also went back and got her foliage die set. And I used the smallest one in this one. And I trimmed it off a little bit so that it could sit a little bit better on there. And then this little bow here, I got that from her mini bow dies. I use this set a lot. I love this. And then what I did was I just went into her regular bow dies and this fun size ginger bow dies, and I just used a couple of these just to add that on there so to kind of coordinate it with the house. I also took my markers again, and I use Y06 to color up that yellow. And then for the door, I use these three colors, and I colored this on the white glitter cardstock. So these are Bria Reese, so there goes those colors. And this one's the Prismacolor, dark brown. So I colored it dark brown first, and then added in these colors to come up with this color. And then I used that little door handle and made all of these to go around there. I thought that turned out so cute. And then I used tea dye distress ink to go around the outside of my card to make it look like a little burnt cookie, or little cookie there. So love how that turned out. And then that is all I have for you. Make sure you pick up that discount code so you can get your discount. Make sure you check out all those links down below. Go over and visit My Creative Time on YouTube as well as on her blog. You all have a blessed and crafty day.